During the 50 years of its history, the Serge Ferrari Group has always been a pioneer in manufacturing fire-retardant fabrics. This is to ensure the safety of the users, which has been defined as one of the pillars of the Serge Ferrari Group strategy. We have developed a product called Shield 800, which is answering one of the most stringent norms in the building sector, the B-roof norm. The B-roof norm is a European regulation qualifying materials that are limiting the transfer of the fire from one building to another. Shield 800 is born from the combined effort of our R&D and production teams in our different production sites. It is actually composed of glass yarns, weaved and then coated with PVC. And finally, we have managed, after several years of research and development, to have a product that is a great combination between durability, strength, and of course, the fire properties. With Shield 800, we are now able to propose a product that is lightweight, bringing a lot of light inside the structures, and that is answering, of course, this famous B-roof norm.